All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Do you write a lot?
Yes, I write a lot because it enhances my handwriting, and writing a lot will be very uh, much good because it enhances my quality of writing. Um, I write a lot like the poet because uh, it is my interest on it, so I write a lot.
Okay, what do you like to write?
I like to write an essay writing because it refreshes my minds, and many ideas came to my mind.
Many ideas come to my mind.
Come to my mind. So like imaginary and many of the.
Okay, do you think the things you write would change in the future?
I don't think so because whenever I would change, so I like to write when I am very full satisfied to write it, so it will not change.
Okay, do you prefer typing or handwriting?
I would prefer handwriting because since to my childhood I have written with my hands. I have not practiced in laptop or computer as I do not have such devices in my home. So I prefer handwriting.
All right, overall good. Try to speak a bit louder, show some interest, and improve your pronunciation. Okay, now let's go on with you. What's the weather like in your hometown?
As I live in Punjab, that is very hot and dry weather. Uh, uh, expect monsoons when there is a lot of rainfalls that make the weather hot and humid.
Okay, do you prefer cold or hot weather?
Well, I always like cold weather because I live in a very hot area, and I feel very happy when I visit the cold area, and this makes me more pleasure.
Okay, do you prefer dry or wet weather?
I always like wet weather because there is not too much rainfalls in my hometown, and I sometime when I see rainfall in my hometown, I always feel very happy, pleasure, and this also reduce my anxiety, stress as well.
Okay, all right, let's go on. Are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast?
Well, usually I don't have this habit because there is not too much rainfall in my country. But in monsoon, I always check the prediction about rainfalls before leaving the home. And if there is a prediction available about rainfall, I always carry an umbrella with myself.
Okay, what do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years?
Well, there are a lot of effects of climate change on worldwide but the major effects are the rise in temperature and the rise in temperature and rise in sea level that makes the coastal areas difficult to live there.
Okay, would you like to visit other cities that have different climates?
Yes, always, of course. I love this very much to visit the areas with cold weather and to collect some good memories with me that makes me happy and more pleasure.
Oh yeah, that make me happy. You said memories. So memories make you happy, okay?
Yeah.
Overall good. Some answers are short. Try to elaborate further and practice all these topics so that you become familiar with them, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.